eating. Just a quick video today. I show you how I do a smoothie in a blender, which is fabulous. I got a really good blender. I will pop the link underneath where I bought it. So I've got just a little one like that. Listen, it's so simple. Twice a day I try to do it. So quick one. Here we are. This is what we do. Got our blender. In little plastic containers, I have some carrots, I have some celery, cucumber. Normally it's what I've got in the fridge. I've got turmeric as well. I like my little turmeric. I do have as well some greens, which is a bit of kale, carrots, because they are grown. My next door neighbor actually grows them, and he gave me these carrots, and they actually organic. So I'm using the greens on top as well. Not going to waste anything. So I normally do two. I do for my husband and me. So just a quick one. Pop the carrots in here, and in there I chop a little bit. This blender is fabulous because it's got 1,000 watts, sorry, so it's pretty strong. It's very good. So pop some celery in here. One more. If you don't want a thick one, just do a nice one. A lot of people add fruits, which is one apple. Maybe if you've never done it before, do that. Personally, I don't feel like I need it. And cucumber, just a little bit. That's a bit more. And filtered water. I add 600 ml in here, filtered water. That's it. That's it. And some greens. And how simple is this? Fabulous. Do it twice a day. You will feel the difference, guys, in absolutely everything. So as much as possible, I love my greens. Okay, so I do. I'll plop one. Oops, that's it. And my blender is going to be loud. Not even a minute. Is fabulous. And listen, I drink this twice a day and I feel marvelous. We don't get enough greens in our life, so here we go. Lovely smoothie. Got a top for it. And it's good to go.